Hi, Clara here. This video is not going to be a solution for any laser issues. I just want to make an announcement for dear members. Actually, I had posted a week ago. I just want to highlight and get more friends knowing this benefit. I'm initiating a project to address your questions. As you know, I'm offering a $5.9 access to videos exclusive to members. The ways to join a member are to click the join button on my page. Click the join button below any video of mine, or you can also click the link below any member videos. In order to provide better services, I want to provide more practical and customized services. To enhance the members' benefits, apart from the exclusive videos, members could get personalized solutions from me, and I'll take up to 5 questions involving training, maintenance, and other aspects of fab lasers. Those fab lasers cover laser cutting, laser marking, and laser welding. Initially, I'll provide answers by videos and compile them in PDFs for the members. Later on, perhaps by year-end, I could respond to members' queries through live streaming. Although I may selectively pick questions based on complexity or length, I'll try to answer as many as I can relate to my knowledge. Some rules we need to kindly observe when availing this benefit. First, you must be a member of my channel. The ways to join, please follow the previous. Second, once monthly. If you have already been a member, in 30 days, you can exercise the right to ask questions once. Third, maximum of 5 questions for once. Fourth, currently month members only. As of today, friends who have already purchased membership, whether it has expired or not, I will reserve the benefits to 15th September 2023 for you. Please send your questions to my email. I have created a Word template of the questions. Please note that in order to better serve members, please send your questions in Word form. Please download the Word template from the link below in the description. Thank you very much. Any questions or suggestions, please talk to me. My contacts are here, WhatsApp and mail address. And if you like my videos, please click the subscribe button and give me your like. Thank you. So I'll be waiting for your mails.